guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you guys are doing good. Today's video is going to be super interesting. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the snacks that I have got from Gulf, from Kuwait. So basically my dad just came here for his vacation, and that's how he decided to bring all of the snacks, especially all of these snacks and food items are something that isn't very readily available in India. Although most of the products and most of the brands have launched in India, but still there are a lot of products that remind me of my childhood days and my childhood memories of having these snacks. And it is absolutely, an amazing feeling to actually have it, and you just have so many memories attached because I've been having this since the time I was a little kid. And then obviously when I came back to India, there were these products weren't available, so I obviously lost touch. But somehow obviously chocolates and other thing my dad used to bring in. But today I've ordered for some extra snacks that remind me of my childhood days, and also to show you guys what all snacks are available and certain things that aren't available in India, but which hold a very special place in not only my heart but millions of people who've actually been or who've stayed in Middle East or in Gulf. They can relate to this video a lot. So stay tuned to see what all products am I going to show. Okay, so the first product is this massive packet. If you can see, this is from Al Rifai. So if you can see, this packet is like very big. It is a massive packet which has loads of goodies in it. So we have lots and lots of dry fruits in this. We have a lot of different chocolates as well. Now these chocolates are mint flavored, lemon flavored, orange flavored chocolates with goodies present. So the first thing is this jelly. This is a jelly, right? Yeah, it's a gel pop, which is a fruit jelly. Honestly speaking, I'm not a big fan of this jelly. I do not like it that much. But anyways, then we have some sweets. Then we have a chocolate. I don't know which flavor. I guess it's the strawberry flavor. See, such a little mini bon. And if you look at this, you guys might be reminded of that Imli ki goli. It looks very similar to the Imli ki goli. But this is the lemon flavored chocolate. Then we have the orange flavored chocolate, we have some strawberry flavored, then we have some chocolates from Tiffany, if you've tried the brand. So we have like a mix of chocolates and other things. The next product is from Baraka Dates. This is their flavored dates, which is milk chocolate covered dates with almonds. So this is dates, I guess, and I haven't tried this out. This is my first time as well. I haven't tried this product yet. So let's check it out. Personally, I'm not a very big fan of dates, apart from putting them in smoothies for the sweetness or as sweeteners. I have not really tried dates, but everyone at my place is like a massive date fan. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It actually looks like a chocolate, doesn't even look like dates. Yeah. Now this is milk flavored chocolate, so that's why I'm taking the risk of trying it. This is like a proper date. You feel, when you look at it, it is like similar to any other chocolate. You would feel that it is a chocolate, but no, it isn't a chocolate. It is actually dates, and it tastes spicy if you like it or not, because under you get like dates ka bhi flavor as well as the milk chocolate merged with it. So it's like both the flavors combining together in the form of a date, which looks like a chocolate. So yeah, it's a mixture of everything, but not bad. Like for me who I don't prefer having dates, but this one was like a good option for me. So yeah, this one is from Maltesers. This, I guess I have tried this before. ever since I've started doing like personal training, I've started reading labels so much, like it's become like a habit now. And again, I'm reading the sugar and everything because I avoided sugar for a very long time, but now getting back to it is guilty pleasure. But anyways, let's try this out. I have tried this, but I have tried this. This na thoda sa, it has become, it has melted because we've kept it out for a very long time, and I obviously want to shoot the video, तो इसलिए वो ज़्यादा देर बाहर था. But apart from that, if you keep this in the refrigerator and then have it na, तो the crunchiness and the cold, chocolate just gives you like an amazing flavor. So crunchy, so good. I love it. Very very sweet. Not everyone's gonna like this thing, but जो crunchiness है. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna be talking about is this. This is Flakes, my sister's favorite. This is from Cadbury. So I'm not really sure कि ये इंडिया में है कि नहीं. I don't think so. This is available. इसलिए I am showing this product over here. So this is, these are the Flake minis. We also get like a bigger version of it. वो नहीं available था, तो हमने mini order करवाया है. Again, this is also very very good, and the texture itself is so filled with flakes. वो flaky वाला जो flavor होता है, that is in its texture itself. बहुत ज़्यादा yummy लगता है. I'll just open and show. मैं सारे chocolates एक साथ नहीं खा पाऊंगी, इसलिए I'll just show it to you. And Cadbury का है, तो I'm sure कि it will come out soon as well. Okay, this is the cover. Flakes. This is by Cadbury. Its texture is also very very good. Okay, so next is this. So we all know Maggi. हम सब Maggi के fans है ही. We have like a lot of Indianized versions of Maggi itself, the special Maggi, then Manchurian Maggi, chili garlic noodles, and all of the other things Maggi that has launched over here. But in abroad as well, especially in the Middle East, जो Maggi available है, they also have like a lot of different flavors, but according to the particular country or particular region, the flavors have been introduced. Like this is the curry Maggi, if you can see. So curry Maggi is like, it has like a completely different flavor from the usual Maggi that we have, and honestly speaking मुझे normal Maggi से ज़्यादा ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. The curry Maggi which has like a very different taste to it, Indian flavors नहीं है, इसलिए और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, because when you're used to having like a certain type of cuisine and a certain type of flavor in your food, and when you have something different, obviously you tend to love it. So this has like a completely different flavor. Obviously मैं बहुत ज़्यादा तरीके से describe नहीं कर सकती, ना ये बना के दिखा सकती हूँ. So yeah, this is just like a different version that I thought of sharing. And I'm sure कि if you might travel to different places or different countries, again you will see different versions of Maggi. The next product that I'm going to be showing to you guys is this. This is their chips, and obviously I had to try chips. Chocolates बहुत ज़्यादा हो गए और भी है, but अभी chips की बारी, because I am like a massive lover. वहाँ पे भी you find so many different flavors. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा limited है, and honestly speaking, I'm not a very big fan of the Indian chips. Like Doritos is something that is still good, but after you try this out, I'm sure कि you're gonna love this, because इसमें flavors बहुत सारे हैं, options बहुत सारे हैं, so many different brands producing so many different chips, and tastes इतने सारे हैं, and when you have so many options, you always tend to look out for new. और हम ना पहले ऐसे खोला करते थे चिप्स, यहाँ पे आके हम वो ये वाला करने लग गए. नहीं तो देखो ऐसे खुलता था, and इतना खाते थे हम ये चिप्स. The smell, it just reminds so many different things. इतने सारे childhood memories है. Trust me, I'm not kidding. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा flavor है इसका भी. This has like the adequate amount of salt, and कितना डालना चाहिए कितना नहीं, the quantity, chips. The first one was lightly salted. This is their chili flavored chips. This is their massive family pack chips. Trust me, I'm not against Indian products. Please do not come at me कि oh बड़ी आई foreigner. Next option is the paprika one. This again has a completely different. ये chili है, this is paprika. Still इन दोनों में इतना ज़्यादा difference है that you'll easily understand कि कितने attention and notice दिया जाता है. Lastly, in the chips section is this. ये मेरा favorite हुआ करता था, मुझे याद है when I was in 4th स्टैंडर्ड आई गेस, मैं इतना चिप्स खाती थी और सिर्फ यही वाला खाती थी. दिस इज द हॉट एंड स्पाइसी वन. So again, let's get back to chocolates. Talking about chocolates, this is again a very favorite brand of mine. This is Quality Streets, and especially when we travel abroad as well, whenever we find this in the airports, we pick it up because बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है इसका taste. भी मैंने देखा, there are a lot of different flavors available as well. The first one is the chocolate noisette pat. Then I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Second is the chocolate orange cream. Then we have chocolate strawberry cream. Then we have chocolate hazelnut crunch. We have chocolate caramel cup, chocolate with whole nut and caramel, chocolate salted caramel cup, and lastly we have the toffee finger as well. तो अगर आप सुनोगे आपको इतने सारे ingredients, so many different things you've heard together in one box, you'll understand कि what amount of precision they have in terms of their chocolates as well. Lastly, to end the video, I have the final product over here. This is all of our favorites M&M. I am not very sure कि इंडिया में है कि I feel कि थोड़ा इंडिया में भी अवेलेबल है. ब्रांड है ना जो सबको रेजोनेट कर जाता है. So yeah, that was it for this week's video. I hope that you liked the video. And yeah, I hope that you got to know some new things about snacks that are available outside India as well. And I hope and I pray कि ये सारी चीज़ें इंडिया में भी आ जाए ताकि हमें इतनी मेहनत ना करना पड़े. And I hope that you guys can relate to the video as well if you guys have tried it out before. And yeah, that was it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you very soon. Till then, bye bye.